Hello friends. So today we will be understanding how we can go for live streaming through OBS. For doing that, first thing that we have to do is we have to set our scenes. So I have created one scene here, OBS live streaming. I can do that by just adding the scene here, okay, which I have already done. Now these are sources which I can add again by adding a plus button. Now what all I need, since I have to load or I have to run one live or one video, so I need a media source. Secondly, since I want to present a PPT, so I need a video capture, a audio capture, and a window capture. So these four items only are required for my live streaming. I will add all these sources. Now how to do it, I will again have a small demo. So here I am adding a small scene. I'll say live streaming. I will go on add. Since first thing I will be doing is I will be showing a recorded video. So I am going for media source. Once I go on media source, I will click OK. I can create a name here, say principal's address. Okay, I can say OK, and whichever is the file, I can directly add that file. So here I am creating this small, I am adding this small file. Open and OK. So this principal's address is added. After that I will add video capture. OK, OK, and I can position it anywhere on this entire screen. Then I can add audio capture. OK, OK, and now since I have to present a PPT, so I will add window capture. Under window capture I have these, add existing, I will add power, or else I will let it be as it is, and I will say PowerPoint. I will say OK. Once I open with the screen, I will select the source. So here I am taking a slideshow, right? Now there is one small tip. There is a possibility that when you are adding, you will have to adjust your your PPT presentation. Okay. So to avoid all that, what you should be doing is you should run it in a slideshow manner, and this slideshow thing or this slideshow window I should be adding in my OBS. That is what exactly I have done here in PowerPoint. I have selected PowerPoint slideshow and I am saying OK to it. Clear? Now once I have done this, I am now set for live streaming. Before I go for live streaming, I should be clicking on the principal's address, which will be first shown. Now since I don't want this PowerPoint to show to be seen right now, so I can close it. I'm closing this, rest I can put it. So this is the principal's address that I have kept. Now before I start streaming, I need to do certain settings for it. I will have to click on settings. I will have to go to stream. After streaming, I will be selecting the service. So here I am selecting YouTube as service, and I can get a stream key. The stream key, once you click on it, you will be routed to your channel, and from that you can add your stream key. If you do not have a channel, you can utilize the stream key which is given to you. So here now I have already added a stream key. So it will show, I will put it here and I will click on OK. So once I am doing that, I am now ready for streaming. Once I am all set, I can directly start streaming. Now once I click on start stream, first I will have to click on this principal's address. I will have to select OK and it will start running. Once that entire address is over, I can come on PowerPoint and again I can click on OK. I can go to the slideshow and I will directly start presenting. So here I come and now I will be presenting myself. Once I am done, I will again go back to OBS. And once I am done, I can stop streaming. So this is all that we need to do. Thank you very much.